process a case in pharmacovigilance department, but the patient might answer all the queries by the call center, or he may not answer. Okay, he may not be willing to answer, or he might hang the call before the person asks the questions, or like he may not have answers for few of the queries. He may not have answers as well. So depending on how much the patient has answered to a call center, you will get an adverse event report, whichever, like it will have like the details whatever the patient has given, and a few fields will be completed and few fields will be blanks, like that. Okay, so and this adverse event report, which has been the whatever the call, the information given by the patient in the call, is transcribed to an adverse event form from the call center. Okay, so now this call center person will email that adverse event form to your pharmacovigilance department. Okay, so they will email it to your pharmacovigilance department. Now you are getting the report as adverse event form. You are not getting as a call. Okay, so this is one type of reception of pharmacovigilance case. So through a call center, it's an intermediator. Call center is an intermediator, and they send you the report adverse event form. Okay. The other way is some companies can have call center on their own. Even PV department person will be in the call center. Like he will attend the calls, and he or she will attend the call, and they will transcribe whatever the patient is telling to them into an adverse event form. So PV department can also get a like direct call if they have to do the call center work as well. Okay, and now uh, you have got some information through an adverse event form, okay, through a call center for a post marketing case. Okay, and they did not give a complete answer for all the questions, and there are few critical areas where you want. So some PV department, what they will do is, if the patient number or patient physician phone number is available and the information is very critical for the assessment of case, our PV department can also call back to the patient physician and ask for further details. If suppose for the death case, like that, and no further information was given by the patient or patient's attender, we can also call them. But it depends on the company to company how they want you to follow up. Okay, so these are the different ways of getting the case through the call center. Usually this happens for the post marketing case. Okay, the other way is through emails. Now, I told like the patient will call and someone manually is recording all the details, transcribing all the details in the adverse event form. Now this has come to AI based as well. Instead of a person recording, transcribing all the information, AI can also do transcribing all the information to an adverse event form. Okay, now the other way, if suppose it is a clinical trial, okay, you are working for a clinical trial drug, the drug is still under clinical trial. So now you are in a PV department, and you would get the reports, adverse event reports from the clinical trial site. So from there, the principal investigator will, or the clinical research coordinator, CRC, will send you the adverse event form through email. Okay, so they are healthcare professionals. They are either physicians or physician assistants or nurses. So the person, whoever is working in the clinical trial department, are healthcare professionals, and they will record the adverse event and everything, whatever the details I have told you already earlier, like um they will not report name of the patient in a clinical trial, considering the privacy, for the patient, they will, but otherwise they will report, they will number the subject. In the clinical trial, every subject will be numbered. There'll be a specific number for the subject. So they will enter the subject number in the adverse event form, and they will give few other details like date of birth, age, height, weight, and then